So hi Benedix, congratulations. Actually, I was so touched by your performance. Nasabi ko agad manonominate to sa Ville Stage. Tagangyo sa bato. Yeah. Yeah. So, si Nikki kasi she had theater back training even way before she entered showbiz. How about you? Bakit ang galing mo?
Wow, grabe yung tanong ng ba't ang galing. Siguro po kasi talaga, you can never really go wrong when you're passionate about what you do. Pag talagang mahal yung ginagawa mo and you really respect kung ano yung ginagawa mo at yung mga naunang mga ginagawa na to, may pagpapahalaga ba sa lahat ng mga bagay mo. Feeling ko it will just really come naturally. Madidiscover mo rin sa sarili mo yung mga skills na pwede mo pang makuha. Of course, including din yung pakikinig mo sa mga nakakatanda talaga. Baka ma-open sila sa nakakatanda. Sa mga mentors, gano'n, sa mga pwedeng tumulong sa'yo. And I think I just really love acting in general, performing. I love the stage, I love the screen. I love storytelling.
How's working with Nikki? May mga nabigay ba siyang advice sa'yo?
Oh my God, yes. Ate, my mom here next to Norman is just so pure. She's so kind. She always gives me advice every time I feel like, feeling down and frustrated about the day. Na parang tangat ako, gano'n. Parang you can't help sometimes na maramdaman sa sarili mo na tangat mo, gano'n. Parang ba't di mo alam to, gano'n. Pero she is always there to remind me na not to be too hard on myself, which most of the time I am hard on myself. So parang siya yung nagbibigay talaga ng kalma at banayan na mga salita para pakalma nila. You know what? Just really focus on this and everything is well.
Benedix, first time mo ba na gano'ng kataas yung pinag-touch?
Yes, first time ko mataas, ganon kataas ang songs. And this has been made possible because of course of our musical director, EJ Yatko. I can say that he was able to unlock something sa voice ko, sa range ko. Because of the rehearsals and yung crash course na ginawa niya sa rehearsals namin. I was able to somehow manage to hit those notes, especially when I'm calmer. But kanina, the first show, adrenaline, talagang dug-dug-dug-dug-dug, so parang mas tensionado. But for calmer case, I think he was able to teach that to me, na na-unlock niya yung range na yun sa akin. So, thanks to AJ.
Benedix, do you have any favorite musicals or plays?
Upcoming po?
Musicals or plays, yung mga napanood mo.
Yeah. Sa Broadway po.
Kahit Filipino, may mga musicals or plays ka na bang napanood before this?
Before this, I didn't really grow up watching theater shows. Like, way back in the province sa Pangasinan, wala naman po talaga teatro.
Yeah, wala.
So, until I watched ang huling ending ko online, and that's the first ever musical I've watched online pa. And sabi ko sa sarili ko talaga, someday I'll be part of this big musical. And then so I did. I was able to become an understudy of ang huling ending ko ng musical nung recent run nila, 2008.
Kanina understudy ka ba?
Kuya Topper. I was playing young Anthony before. Yeah. And the rest is history. And everything just really followed according to plan. Na sabi ko, gusto kong mag-teatro. Gusto ko magkaroon ng something na matutungtong ako sa stage.
How's working with Toph as a director? Ano yung madedescribe mo sa style niya?
Toph is so calm. Like, hindi ata siya nagagalit talaga. At kung magagalit man siya, parang ikaw ba yung magagalit, ba't hindi ka nagagalit? Parang ganun. Bakit hindi nagagalit siya? Pero that really helps a lot in nurturing us at the same time. So, hindi siya naging problem talaga after that.
Yeah, so last question na lang. Isa sa uso ngayon sa music scene ay SB19, ganyan. I mean, have you listened to their music?
Of course,
and may bias ka ba sa kanila?
Yeah, nakalaro ko si Stella at si Justin doon ng badminton.
Wow, they play badminton.
Yeah, that's they play badminton. And yun yung nag-fanboying moment ako sa kanila. But at the same time, syempre, we were just playing badminton. So dapat hindi ako masyado magpakita na magiging fanboy ko. So, and mutuals naman kami. So,
Okay, thank you, Benedict. Please invite the audience na lang to watch Next to Normal.
Yeah, I'm inviting everyone to please watch Next to Normal. We're running from February 1 to 23, so I hope you can catch it here at the Power Max Center Spotlight Black Box Theater here at Circuit Maganda. See you there.
Thank you.